I'm going to do a demo of using the Programmable Mind to set up a voice-based ordering system for a fast food restaurant. I load the knowledge modules in the browser. You usually run them in middleware because they access backend databases, so we need passwords. And also this would be behind a voice recognition system, but I'm not demoing that. I'm just demoing the part that interprets the language and does stuff. Or sorry, combo 2 and 2 combo.
What drinks do you want?
So that creates a motivation to know what drinks the user wants, or the customer wants, because the combos come with drinks. So we'll do 2 Sprites and Fanta. And so that sets the drinks, then the motivation's gone because the user said what drinks. So we'll do combo 4 with iced tea. So I'm going to say what drink I want, so then it doesn't ask me what drink I want because I already said. So then we'll ask for a fancy thing, a guava and a strawberry banana smoothie. So there's a guava smoothie and a strawberry banana smoothie, so I combine them with an and like people do when they talk. I'm making sure to spell stuff correctly because the speech recognition part would have the spell checker, so my thing doesn't have a spell checker. So we'll do single combo with waffle fries. So you can modify the order with.
What drink do you want?
Waffle fries or not waffle fries, and just be one of the choice. So it creates a motivation to know what the drink is. I'm just going to ignore that for a second. 2 10-piece chicken nuggets. 2 10-piece chicken nuggets.
What drink do you want?
So that was 2 kinds of numbers there. One was how many pieces, 10, and the other was how many of these meals you wanted. It still has the motivation to know the drink for the single combo. Maybe in the, I just chose to make the message say what drink you want. I could have had it said what drink you want for the single combo. Because it's the programmable mind. So we'll just tell it a drink so it'll stop asking. And then it updated the drink. I'm going to clean this up. So boop, clean up. And we'll go with, so I added some more conversational stuff where instead of just saying what you want, you can change what you already said. So we'll do combo 1 with iced tea. And so then I changed my mind. So I can say change combo 1 to combo 2. I tried to think of things like a person would say. So, I mean, I'd say that. Change combo 1 to combo 2. So then it changed it to combo 2. We'll do another one. So there's various ways you can say that. So we'll do combo 1 with iced tea. Change the combo to combo 2. So it's used, the system has a hierarchy of things. So it knows that combo 2 is a kind of combo. So it can, it figures out you're referring to the single combo when you say combo, even though you didn't say single combo. And it has a conversational thing where it keeps track of stuff you've talked about. So, like, you can access the word it. So that's actually how the combo worked too. It looked in what you've been talking about and found a thing that matches the combo and updated that. Combo 1 with iced tea and change it to combo 2. So then it sort of finds the last thing that's a combo or that it could refer to and changes that to combo. We'll do a large Sprite. Change the pop to Coke. So it looked for the thing that was a pop and changed that to Coke. I didn't get around to implementing, like, you can't say change the iced tea to Coke. I didn't get around to implementing it. I mean, you can say it, but it won't find it because it has to look inside the combo, and I didn't get around to implementing that. But that's just putting more time in to implement it. So we'll do a large Sprite. Change the drink to Coke. So here again, it's using its knowledge of the hierarchy that I told it that Sprite is a kind of pop, a pop is a kind of drink. Combo 1, so we'll do that.
What drink do you want?
So I also added remove combo 1. I think you can say, I forget what else you can say. Remove combo 1. You change your mind, you don't want it. So more conversational stuff. You can ask for a pop.
What kind of pop?
And so it's used the hierarchy to look for things to see if there are things that are pop. Do we sell things that are pop? And so if we do, it goes, oh, well, it can ask you what kind of pop. And then you can say Sprite, whatever, and you get a Sprite. A large pop. So if you modify the pop,
what kind of pop?
And then you say Sprite, it keeps the large. So you said a large pop, then you told it what kind of pop, Sprite, and then it knows that you want a large Sprite. Because of the context, so it's context sensitive. Like when I say Sprite, it'll just give me a Sprite. But because I previously said a large pop, and then I say the same word, Sprite, it's in the context of having said a large pop, so it gives me a large Sprite, rather than just a Sprite. Sprite, let's clean this up. And you do the same thing with other types of food items. We'll do a shake.
What kind of shake?
Vanilla. You get a vanilla shake, so you can say a shake. Let's do a large shake. Spell shake correctly.
What kind of shake?
And you can say a chocolate shake, so say the whole thing instead of just the kind of shake it is. And it gives you a large chocolate shake. And again, it's because it's in the context of having said, I want a large shake. When you say large, or what did I say? Chocolate shake. It doesn't just give me a chocolate shake because it's in the context of having said, I want a large shake. And other conversational things are, I added this fun one into the dialogues knowledge module called Never Mind. So when it's asking these questions because motivations were created to find out things. And
what kind of shake?
There was a general way where I can allow you to say, like, never mind if you decide you don't want to do what you just asked to have done. So now it's not going to ask me what kind of, what did I type in? What kind of shake I want. And it works with combos too. A combo with iced tea.
What kind of combo?
So now I can say never mind, and it doesn't ask me again what kind of combo I want because I told it to not do that idea. Yeah, so that's the demo of this. I mean, it has a bunch of details. I'm not trying to ship this ordering thing as a product. It's supposed to just demo that, if you wanted to, you could write a product that you could use as a order system for a restaurant using the Programmable Mind to interpret the language. So the other things I wanted to show were, so if you go to this page, I'm using this knowledge module. So this has information about what other knowledge modules this one uses because they're reusable and you can combine them. These are all the sentences from the unit tests, blah, 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 blah. This is the initial knowledge where I told it things like, whatever, single, double, triple, blah, 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 are meals. So it has some knowledge about the domain concepts. And so this link provides access to the source code for the fast food knowledge module. So this defines all the, why did you pop out? What is it? How many lines is it? Blah, 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 blah. So it's about 1,000 lines, implements all that. A lot of it's just this template stuff where you tell it stuff in English, and it uses the other knowledge modules like the properties knowledge module and the hierarchy knowledge module and others to interpret what these sentences mean, and then it maps it into like data structures, because there's no neural nets used in this system. It's all based on a theory of understanding language that maps to like, normal computer data structures, and not like with the LLMs, you train them and the result that's produced is a matrix of like billions of numbers that's kind of opaque. You don't really know how like the program and the data are mapped into the billions of numbers. You don't really know how that occurs. If you need to change it, well, you don't know which number to change to which other number to get it to do something different. Whereas this is just a normal program, and you can debug everything. And so the way this is, I forgot to do that. Let's see. Yeah, so I forgot to make the repo with the code that implements this website. This is just a website. I forgot to make that public. So I'll make that public and put it in the description, and you can go click there and see how this is implemented. There's other videos on this page that show how to reuse a knowledge module somewhere. Yeah, this. So this one shows how you use a knowledge module, which is what this code is, a knowledge module. So you basically just load this in your code and then implement this API and pass it into this knowledge module, and then this one will do all the languagey stuff and then call the API to get you to do stuff. So like this function returns the current list of items that the user has ordered. So you can store it however you want. I'm just storing it in JSON or in a data structure in JavaScript. And then there's other ones like, what's this one? This one just checks if an item is available, so it'll call it with the item. Here I've just hard-coded all the available items. You could actually, in an actual implementation, you probably hit a database and find out which items are available. Anyway, so there's other videos that describe this, and I'll make public the implementation of this website. Okay, so that's the end of that demo. On to the next demo.